ForumPay offers comprehensive on-ramp and off-ramp solutions to bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrency. Our on-ramp solution lets users acquire cryptocurrency for general use, for businesses to distribute their international payrolls, or for example for merchants to issue refunds in crypto or in stablecoins. So whether you want to simplify your international payrolls, refund your consumers, or just acquire crypto for general use, ForumPay provides a very seamless gateway into the digital currency world. On the other side, our off-ramp solution connects crypto consumers with merchants and businesses operating in traditional finance. We offer a very straightforward exit route for crypto funds, converting them into traditional currencies such as dollars, euros, or pounds, for example. This service allows businesses to effortlessly integrate crypto transactions into their existing financial infrastructure. With ForumPay, your business can navigate the digital economy and offer smooth transactions between crypto and traditional finance spaces. Take the opportunity to capitalize on crypto. Visit forumpay.com today.